You are scrolling Instagram, watching Reels, and thinking, how are these people earning money online? Let me tell you, it's not magic, it's method. You don't need offers, you don't need investment. You just need your phone and smart work. You will help Amazon sell products, and Amazon will pay you commission. First step, very important. You need 2 accounts. Number 1, Pinterest business account, free. This helps you grow and see analytics. Number 2, Amazon affiliate account, also called Amazon Associates India. You sign up, add your name, address, bank details, and Pinterest link. Now Amazon gives you special links. These links make you money. Don't post random items. Find trending products, shoes, gadgets, beauty tools, kitchen hacks, home decor. Go to Amazon bestsellers, movers and shakers. Also check Instagram Reels and Pinterest search. Inside Amazon Associates, open the product, click Get Link, copy the special affiliate link. Never copy the normal Amazon link, otherwise, zero money. Now the magic step. Pinterest pin. Use Canva. Free tool. Make vertical image. Add big bold text, like, this Rs3999 gadget is solving a big problem. Pinterest is a search engine. Titles matter more than followers. While uploading, write strong title. Example, best budget running shoes for women. Write description with keywords, then paste your affiliate link. Now money flow. Someone clicks your pin, goes to Amazon, buys product, you get commission. Fashion gives more commission, electronics less, beauty medium. Even 50 to 100 sales per month can give good side income. Don't expect money in one day. First weeks, nothing. 1 month, small clicks. 2 to 3 months, growth. Pinterest rewards consistency. Post 3 to 5 pins daily. Use vertical images. Don't spam same design. Focus on products that solve problems. People post one link and wait. No, Pinterest is farming. You plant many seeds. This is not instant rich scheme, but it is beginner friendly. No investment. Possible from phone and scalable. Start today, not tomorrow.